Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to vlog 10 again. Because I did vlog 10 yesterday, but this crappy phone didn't save the video. It hanged on me and it's a piece of shit. Samsung, the makers, they make these phones to last 1 year and then these phones automatically explode and go broken, so that the makers can make more phones and make more money. And everything's man messed up. This, I'm gonna have to remember what I said yesterday and say it again in this vlog 10. So I failed the 30 video YouTube challenge. I'm gonna look at this video 10 years later and see. I'm still ugly as shit. 1 minute into the video now. 65%, 8:06 p.m. So this vlog is about not binging. Don't binge through any movie trilogy, through any anime series, through any English serials. Don't do it. Binging makes the content lose its value. It's basically why we don't celebrate Christmas every day, because we celebrate Christmas once a year. If we do, then it would lose its value, it would lose its meaning. So don't binge. One of the mistakes I did, binging through One Piece, which is not possible in one day, and One Punch Man and Death Note and this and that. Don't binge one episode a day. That's good. Still an ugly piece of shit I am. This vlog is coming out after 3 weeks because I got sick in the middle and I just lost interest and didn't want to do anything. Despite me failing the challenge, I got from my first subscriber, a Chinese man who I don't know, of course, and he unsubscribed me, and well, you know. So technically I accomplished, and I don't know why, but the time